bonny in here, apart from the tree falls. I didn't think there'd be much in the way of mushrooms, but the chanterelles are here. I found some scat. Could be owl or something else, but I'll let you see it anyway. That's got stuff in it. Just to get you a size of it. That's my hand, that's my thumb. And there's fur and other things in it. I'll have a wee look. I suppose it could be pine marten, owl, domestic cat, if one's got away into this wilderness. Just love it. Yeah, there's bits of bone within it. There's a bit of bone there, a couple of bits there.